Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Detailed Recipes channel. A Turkish Gozleme Borek variety that anyone can easily make at home. You can decide the filling material, you can make it with cheese or vegetables. This video will make a version with minced meat. Ingredients for dough: 2 glasses of warm water, 5-6 glasses of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 7 grams. It will be a yeast-free dough. Just prepare a soft dough with flour, salt and water. Put the dough you have prepared in a bowl and let it sit for at least 1 hour. Ingredients for borek: 300 grams of finely chopped beef, 1 tomato large, 1 capia pepper, 2 green peppers, 1 onion, chopped parsley, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of red chili pepper. We use finely chopped beef with a little fat, finely chopped onion, finely chopped capia pepper, green pepper and parsley, finely chopped tomatoes. All of these ingredients will make the ingredients a little juicy and have a consistency that can be easily spread on the dough. Spices: salt, pepper, red hot chili flakes and a little salt. Combine and mix all the ingredients in a bowl. If the material is not sufficiently hydrated, add half a glass of water and mix. You can also use a little oil. After the dough is left for 1 hour, add flour to the counter and divide the dough into equal parts. If the dough is too soft, you can use a little more flour. Divide the dough into equal parts and roll out. 60-gram balls of dough will be enough. You can roll the dough into a width of 25 centimeters with a rolling pin by adding flour. Slightly wet the edge of the dough. Add the mixture you have prepared evenly on the dough. Use a spoon or straighten it with your hands. You can think of this as a Turkish pizza. After preparing it, cover it with dough. Cut and trim around with the dough cutter. Cut off the excess around the dough or not, it's up to you. After preparing the dough in this way, you can proceed to the baking phase. You can use a Teflon pan or an iron plate. The material you will use for cooking must be hot. Gozleme Borek is added to the pan. Wait 1 minute and turn the other side. If there is opening from the edges, press it with a plastic spatula and let it inflate like a balloon. The steam created inside will allow the minced meat to be cooked. So these pastries need to inflate like balloons, so the minced meat will be cooked with its own steam. You can watch the special video I made about Turkish Gozleme varieties. I ask you to support me by watching the videos without skipping them from beginning to end. Can be consumed for breakfast or dinner, with salad and drink. Serve it hot. It will be great with a cold drink, or tea as a hot drink is usually our choice. We have come to the end of a video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you in a new video. Goodbye.